In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an invoice in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, along with a few important reminders so you can proceed with confidence. Deleting an invoice permanently removes it from your books, so make sure this is the action you intend to take and that you have the right level of access in your QuickBooks company. First, log into QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, double check that you're in the correct company if you manage more than one. It's also a good idea to confirm you have permission to edit or delete sales transactions. If you don't, you may need an admin to adjust your access. From the main dashboard, look at the left navigation bar and click Sales. Then open the Invoices section. This is where all your invoices are listed, including their status, dates, and amounts. If you have a lot of invoices, use the search box or filters to narrow things down by customer, invoice number, amount, or date range. Next, locate the specific invoice you want to delete and click it to open the full invoice screen. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the correct one by reviewing the customer, line items, and total. If you want to keep a record before you remove it, consider downloading or printing a copy for your files. On the invoice screen, look to the bottom right for the More option. This is a small menu that includes less commonly used actions. When you select More, you'll see options like Delete and sometimes Void. Deleting removes the invoice completely, while voiding keeps a record with a zero amount. If you need a traceable paper trail, voiding may be better. If the invoice was created by mistake and shouldn't exist at all, deletion is appropriate. Choose Delete from the drop-down. QuickBooks will display a confirmation prompt to make sure you want to proceed. Read that message carefully. If you're certain, confirm the deletion. The invoice will be removed from your list and it will no longer impact your sales totals, reports, or customer balance. That's it. You logged in, navigated to Sales and Invoices, opened the invoice, used the More menu, selected Delete, and confirmed. As a final tip, refresh your invoices list or run a quick sales report to verify the invoice no longer appears. If you're ever unsure whether to delete or void, check with your accountant or follow your company's internal policies.